Yeah. 16 minutes. Hello, y'all. This is me, dogs. You like machine, Charlie Sheen style, cleanly shaven look? Sick right there, huh? Okay. Download some new shit on y'all, man. This is after Halloween we survived. November 3rd, okay? And just about getting in a rap mood. Got some downloaded some new beats, believe it or not. And I want to rap to them to you guys because you guys are awesome, dude. I mean, if it wasn't for my fans. Don't laugh at me, girlfriend. If it wasn't for my fans, I would be existent, non-existence. How I choose to be uplifted. That's right, you know how I read between the lines in this movement is being not part of the line. I walk on it, you bet your ass on that, you know what I mean? Nah, probably not, but it's okay if you didn't even try to do it anyway. I'm like aiming at your heart with a laser beam. Don't matter what your mental thing, go on up in your thing. Ding-a-ling, man, don't take me for granted when I tell you what's going on in this planet, dude. I'm telling you, Planet of the Apes. It's just a movie, fool. Okay, now get with the truth. Yeah. Day 1 is, day 2 is, 3, 4. How many times, how many trips to the store does it take to me to get this point across to you and for me to grab a hold of this steak that I got in my hand and I don't even know why or where we even got it from, man. I just want to do them sound check things and try to make it come across with some kind of clever message at the same time, dude. I don't even feel it this one yet, you know what I mean, but I'm warming